So there's this internal Next.js flag that I've been using whenever I'm debugging or I'm using LLM to build a feature, and then I want to confirm if there's no issue before I push to test on staging. And the issue is that whenever I'm done with a feature and then I want to check if I don't miss any TypeScript or any other bugs, so I will normally do pnpm run build like this. And this is basically going to try to build the project and error out if there's any issue. So we'll just wait a little while it compiles and run. So it's running the TypeScript now. So basically this is where I expect it. Yeah, so there's an error now, and you can see that we only have this error being displayed here, that something is wrong in this login page and with this component. So why this is very helpful, I find it very unproductive when there are several errors. So let's say, for instance, there are errors in 2 pages in this code base that are intentionally created, but then it's only showing 1 per running pnpm run build. So if I have like 50 or 20 files that are affected, then I have to run the command 20 times. But then I've been using a flag since last year now, which helps me to display all the build errors at once, which is actually very cool. And the command is __ next test mode, and you set this to true, then you can do pnpm run build. So this is also going to run normally like pnpm run build, but what this does differently is that it is basically going to run the build to the end, and it's not going to stop when it comes across one bug. So it's not going to stop at the first bug, but it's going to highlight every other bug as well. So you can see now that we have all the TypeScript error. You can see that we have from this file, and it also has from this file as well. So these are all the issues that are in this current code base. So this is very helpful if you have a large code base that has TypeScript error, or that have any other error that would normally fail when you push to production, like Vercel now. It might break your build if it comes along this error. And normally you should run your build before you push to Vercel for building in production. So you can use this flag in development only. So don't change your build in production to this. Instead, you should only run this in development, because it enables other features that you don't want to use in production, but it is okay for development. And another way you can make this even much easier is that you can turn it into a script command, like build once. I name mine build once, and then you can put the flag here. So you don't have to basically put this in your build. No, don't do that. What you should do is create a new script command, and then you put it there. So instead of you having to be typing the __, you can basically just come here and do pnpm run build once, and you can see it's making reference to this, and it's basically going to run everything, and you can basically resolve all the error all at once, or you plan on how to resolve this instead of having to solve it one after the other. And you are working with LLMs, it makes it easier. You can instruct the LLM to basically run this command pnpm run build once, and then it's going to see all the error at once and come up with a plan on how to basically fix it, instead of having to prompt it over and again to fix the next one, fix the next one, fix the next one. So I hope this is helpful, and let me know what you think, or any other approach that you have. Yeah, there are other approaches to do this as well. Let me know your own favorite, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.